In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use NordVPN. By the end, you'll feel confident setting it up, connecting securely, and taking advantage of key protection features without any confusion. First, head to NordVPN's website and sign up for an account. The site will guide you through creating your profile and confirming your details. Keep your login information private and store it somewhere secure so you can access it across your devices later. Next, download the app for the device you're using. On a computer, grab the desktop app for Windows or Mac OS. On mobile, install the official app from your device's app store. If you prefer something lighter, you can also add the browser extension, which protects traffic inside that browser only. The full desktop and mobile apps secure your entire device's internet traffic, so choose whichever suits your needs. During installation, approve any permissions the app requests so it can create a secure connection. Once installation finishes, open the app and log in with your Nord account. After a quick sign-in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you connect, see your status, and select locations. For instant protection, click or tap the Quick Connect button. NordVPN automatically picks a fast, nearby server and connects you in a few seconds. You'll see a clear status indicator when you're protected. From this point on, your connection is encrypted and your IP address is masked, which helps keep your browsing private on both home and public networks. If you want more control, choose a server manually. You can select a country from the map or pick from the list. For the best speeds, choose a nearby country. If you need content or services from a specific region, select that country instead. The app will show when it's connected, and you can switch locations at any time. To strengthen your security, open the settings and look for features like threat protection and the kill switch. Threat protection helps block malicious sites and trackers, adding a layer of safety while you browse. The kill switch is designed to cut internet access if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly, preventing your real IP from leaking. Turning these on takes just a moment and is a smart way to harden your setup. That's it. Sign up, install the app for your device, log in, and either use Quick Connect for one-click protection or pick a specific location. With threat protection and a kill switch enabled, you're set up for safer, more private internet use.